Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to use Facebook Ads Library, or you can say Meta Ads Library. For this, first of all, we open any browser. So, open the browser and then go to the search bar and type Ads Library. A new window will be open in front of you. Here, we will click on the first link, Ads Library Facebook. It will start open. Once it's open properly, here, first of all, we will scroll down. You can see there is a search button, and on the left side, there are two options. The first one is to select your country. First, you have to know that what kind of competition you are going to in. Most of the people starts drop shipping, white label or private label in United States. So today we will select United States. Once it's selected, then we will go to the option of add category. So click on it. Here you will see 5 different options. 5 options will not be available for all the countries. It will only for United States. First one is all ads. Second one is issue electronics or politics. If you wanted to run the ads for politics, electronic or different issues or in your country, you can select this one, and you will see also this option in your ads manager. And the third option is properties. It means it's clear. And fourth one is employment, and the last one is for credit, the person who wanted to give a credit. So we will select all ads. Once both things selected in a good way, after that, here we will go to the keyword section. First thing, you have to know that if you wanted to search a product, like that I have that product HGKJ, you will see a minimum results. But this product has been running by lot of businesses, lot of private labels, white labels and dropshippers are running the ads for this product. But no one is using the name of HGKJ. Most of the people are using the name of plastic red agent. Plastic red rating agent. Hit the enter button. And then now you will see the persons who are actually running the ads for and sell with Facebook. You can see the ads for this product. I think first thing is clear. Then we have to go to the selection. The second thing. For this, I am opening a new project like cloth storage organizer. Now you can see 6 results. It means only 6 ads are running for this product. If I will close this active status, now you can see we have 6 results and now we have 41 results. It means 35 people who starts running ads for this product, but now they are not selling this product. It means we can't go with this product because this product has been saturated. First, you should know that the meaning of saturated. Saturated meaning is I will explain you with the example. Like one product starts selling on Facebook Ads Library. Okay, but people who are purchased this product, they found this product is not worthful or this product is useless. It means we didn't have to go with this product. We have to find another one. So I am searching for another product, shoe organizer. Now you can see there are 68 results. So go below and see the ads. Let's play this one. Now you can see a reasonable persons are running the ads for this product. It means we can sell this product on Meta, or you can check the potential of this product in other countries or all over the world. Like that, I'm selecting all. After that, click on add category and then click on all ads, shoe organizer, then hit the enter button. Now you can see all over the world 600 campaigns are active for this product. And if you go to the filters, click on it and there is a filters. You can select the language. All the language are available, there is not a problem. After that, you can select the advertiser, all advertiser, or you will see the options. But this is not for beginners. So close this tab and there is the option of platforms. It means we have 4 to 5 platforms. First is Facebook, second is Instagram, third is Facebook Business Manager, fourth is Messenger. After that, if you go below, there is the option of active ads or non-active ads. You can see active or inactive, active ads or inactive ads to see the potential of the product. After that, you can select the date where the ads starts running and when it's closed. After that, click on apply. That was the way how to use Facebook Ads Library. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comment section, and if you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.